a jury member at the 2023.
It is a great honor to be here today and to welcome all of you in India. This is indeed a special day for all of us as we are mark the launch of Mirage in India.
Gentlemen, we are privileged to have with us the esteemed Ms. Vati Klaus, the head of training at Mirage Institute and an internationally renowned trainer. India is truly blessed to have her trained and hands-on to the students in Mirage Institute, India.
I'm here to present MS Institute as international heat trainer, and usually most of them will call me Rosmawati. Okay, that's my full name, but I'm more popular by calling me by Wati, so it's much easier for everyone to call me that. Alright, so I'm actually very proud, alright, to stand today to be a passionate educator and beauty industry professional. My journey as a beauty trainer has been fulfilled and inspired, having the opportunity to share my expertise with aspiring beauty professionals around the world. It's truly rewarded. I believe that knowledge should be shared, and through education, we can empower individuals to achieve excellence in their craft. Today, as I stand here in Kashmir, I am excited about the opportunity to share my expertise, learn from others, and contribute to the growth of the beauty and the wellness industry in this region. I look forward to collaborating with professionals here, students, and industry leaders to raise the standard of training.
You actually posed a very good question. You're asking actually what it's all about. Basically, on the title itself, on the banner, is about AI series, and all of you know even Samsung buy over AI. AI has been growing globally. But what we are actually an aesthetic institute, and not just aesthetic institute. We are under Mirage Group, and we have 3 different visual companies, as what being shared with our Mirage GM here, okay, from Singapore, all the way from Singapore. So we are here to actually boost whatever the doctors, the professionals here on their skills, and at the same time we are also offering our AI series machineries, and we're also offering, there's so much actually, the collaborators, investors. We are building the economy of Kashmir, we are building the economy of India, we are also building the medical tourism, and also the workman power, because our certificate is just not a certificate.
Presence here would actually expand the economy of Kashmir and also to promote the medical tourism in Kashmir.
Okay.
And then to have, because we have demands a lot from the Indian side coming to Singapore. Now we are reaching closer to you guys and to keep the cost much more affordable, and to have the AI series powered technology. Now we actually in Kashmir, first Kashmir, and then inshallah it will be pan-India. Right after this, our next launch in New Delhi. Kashmir, actually, it will be much more genuine for us to start, because as we understand the climax in Kashmir, there's so many skin issues that are happening in Kashmir than any parts of India. So we will genuinely approach Kashmir because we believe it's also a spot where we can promote medical tourism and get it much more accessible for anyone from any part of India to come Kashmir for the cost. And besides that, most importantly, we are actually trying to have more workman power here in Kashmir. We're going to build more doctors to boost what they are having and to allow them to actually not being outdated from the technology globally around the world. So Kashmir would be very privileged to start, whereas after that the other parts of India.